Lucy, Lucy, come here. Papaano mo na? Lucy, come here. Hey, what happened to you? Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, I need to talk to you for a while. And Kuya Arnel is coming. I need you to be seen by Kuya Arnel, okay? He's coming now to uh, exchange places with Kuya Kulas, okay? So I need to show you to Kuya Arnel, okay? Are you okay there? Did you eat already? Did you eat food already? Lucy, did you eat food already? Did you eat already? Did you eat already? Did you eat already? Huh? Are you okay? What happened to you? Are you okay? What happened to you? What happened to you? Are you okay there? Huh? Lucy, Lucy, what happened to you? Are you okay? Okay. How about your brothers and the baby sister? Are they okay? Hmm? Can I see them also? You show the cell phone to them, okay? Show the cell phone to them, okay? You show the cell phone to them. Where's Kuya James? Where's Kuya James? Kuya James, where are you? Okay, James, how are you, James? Huh? You look like, are you okay? You're playing Roblox. Okay. How about Kuya John? Is Kuya John there? Hey, John, how are you, baby? Look at your hair. Look at you. You miss your papa? Huh? You miss me? I miss you a lot. Okay? I miss you so much, John. Hey, who's that? Is that the baby? The youngest baby? Hey! Hello! Hello, baby. Huh? Hello! Your name is? Your name is? What's your name? What is your name? This is your papa. What is your name? Huh? What's your name? What? John, how are you, John? Oh, wow. You sound like you're like a grown man already. Are you taller than James? Puberty stage. Oh, you're smart, huh? Just like your papa. Are you taller than James? Who's taller? You or James? We're the same height. All right. So you're okay. I saw James earlier. Why did you not come with James earlier? Ah, you have to take care of the baby. Okay. So you're a more responsible now. So okay. So you know how to take care of a baby already? Okay. Okay. So do you know how to feed the baby milk? Do you know how to mix water and the powder? Okay, tell me how to mix the water and the powder. how many how many ml of water and how many cups of powder? How many scoops of four four scoops and 4 ml? I think it's 40 ml. Is it 40 ml? You don't know. I thought you know. I thought you. Okay, so how did you feel that you meet Lucy now? How did you feel that you met? You're very happy. Okay. You know what, John? I also like to meet you. Okay. I really miss you, boys. Okay. And probably I will ask assistance from the or from the court that maybe one day, maybe once a week, you can come to me and eat. Remember the times when we eat outside? You, me, James, and Lucy? Eat all you can. Remember the times? You miss those times? Huh? You miss the times? Yeah, yeah. Don't worry, I'll find a way to somehow see you maybe once a week or twice a week if the court will allow us. You know? I really miss you, boys. Do you know that? I really miss you? Huh? Okay, good thing that you know. Okay, so I really love you, boys, and I really miss you. Okay, don't worry. Once everything will be okay, we will all be happy. Okay. So, how is Lucy doing there? Huh? How is Lucy? He is doing fine. Okay. Actually, John, regarding Lucy, the curious are must see Lucy even at night time. Okay, even if Lucy is sleeping, the curious should be able to see Lucy. It is actually ordered by the court that an accompanying person or a kuya or someone will watch over Lucy. Okay, so kindly allow the kuya to watch over Lucy. Okay, these kuya are very kind persons. I assure you that they're very good, generous persons. Okay, they don't mean any harm to you. They're very nice to you. In fact, they're willing to, give you some snacks or foods. Maybe tomorrow, I will give some snacks for you, both of you boys, so that you will not feel hungry. Okay? All right. Okay. So these kuyas are very friendly. They're very nice, and please do not. Please allow the kuya to see Lucy even if she's sleeping. Okay? Okay? Okay. So it's already noted by the court, and so you're really grown up so fast, John. Huh? You've become a matured man already. Huh? I really miss you, John. Huh? You still play Roblox? Huh? Is that still your is that still your favorite game? Is that still your favorite? Look, Lucy is actually it's her also it's her favorite game also. Okay, so you play with Lucy. Okay, okay. So I miss you, John. Okay. Can I see you again, James? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, James. Are you okay, James? James. James, are you still playing games, huh? You're playing games, right? You've grown up so fast, actually, James, and it's a good thing that nothing harm did was done to you so far. So remember what I told you earlier that you have to watch over your sister, okay? Yourself. What? Do you like to play the game Lucia like um what do you call that? RP? What's the name? Brookhaven RP? Are you still playing that one? Brookhaven RP. Lucy sleeping. Okay, can I talk to Lucy for a while? Can I talk to Lucy for a while? Hey, Lucy, are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? Okay, okay. Your kuya will watch over you. Okay, it's already noted by the judge that he will watch over you, even if you're sleeping. In fact, he should be beside you when you're sleeping. But it's okay that you will be with them, with your mama, kuya John, kuya James, and the baby, as long as your kuya can see you. Okay? Sleeping. Okay? Okay? Lucy, are you okay? Huh? You miss your papa? You miss your papa? Hey, don't worry. When you next week we'll go somewhere. Okay? Where do you like to go next week? When you come back, where do you like to go? You don't know? Huh? Lucy, okay. Remember what I told you? Huh? Do you still remember what I told you? Huh? Always pray to Papa God, okay? Always pray and always remember that Papa loves you so much, okay? Huh? And Nanay also loves you, okay? And I will see you next Sunday, okay? And kindly don't let yourself not be seen by Kuya. So it's all the time Kuya should see you, okay? Even if you're sleeping, Kuya will be able to see you, okay? Kuya Kulas and Kuya Arnel will be the one to protect you, okay? Okay, Lucy? Huh? Are you, huh? Okay, so can you give the phone to Kuya Kulas? Where is he? Did he lock the door? No, no.